What's up, boss fam? It's your boy DJ the Boss, and I'm back again with another video. Nobody asked for this video today, but I saw in the comments that a lot of people are having problems with this W-2 versus contractor, 1099 employee differences and things like that. And I don't want you guys to get into any trouble. If you mess this up, you can get audited, and you will, be in trouble with the IRS.
They put you in jail right away. No trial, no nothing.
I want to clear it up and make it make a little bit more sense for you guys, whether or not to have someone as a W-2 employee or a 1099 contractor. And after this video, I think you guys should really start to understand it a little bit more and be able to make that decision for yourself. I'm not going to say necessarily which one is better or worse, because it depends on what your business goals are and what you're trying to do inside your business. Actually, the only thing I'll say about whether or not to do W-2 employees versus 1099 contractors is being on the receiving side of the contracting thing. I had a really bad experience with that. It's in a bunch of my other videos. Go check it out. But I don't like doing subcontracted work. So if someone else closes an account and they want us to do the cleaning for them, I hate that, because you have no leverage in that situation. They own all the leverage. They own the relationship with the customer, and that's not the position that any cleaning business should want to be in.
So you're gonna take a deep breath.
I understand if you're just starting out and you need some work and you want to take some subcontracting work just to get some cash in the bank, but I wouldn't use that as a long-term business model. It's kind of the same as why I don't like home advisor or things like that, because they attract the customer. They have all the leverage. They could easily just at any point X you out and replace you with a different company, or go and get W-2 employees themselves, train them, and have them carry out the work. There is a difference, and it is important, and you can't just label someone a W-2 employee, or you can't just label someone a 1099 because you think it works better for you. That's just not how it works. But that's what we're getting into today. Thank you guys for being here. I need you guys to like this video so that other people find the channel, and subscribe to the channel. One of the best things you can be doing for your business is to be on a continuous learning journey. That means subscribing to channels like this that just give out information about the industry that you're in, and learn from someone who's doing something that you want to be doing. If you guys don't know me, if you're new to the channel, my name is DJ the Boss. I started a commercial cleaning company about 8 years ago, scaled that past 7 figures. I've documented the entire journey here on YouTube, which is pretty cool. You can look through all of my videos and watch my progress and see how I've overcome some of these challenges. I just try to help people get started and get out of a place. I was in a really bad place when I started my cleaning business. I was actually homeless, and this business saved my life. And so I want to be able to help someone else with my knowledge and with the skills that I've gained over the years. So with that said, we're going to talk about hiring W-2 versus 1099 contractors.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss days. Go do your boss days.
Okay, so the main thing is W-2 employees work for you. They work directly for you. This doesn't have to be a certain amount of time. It doesn't matter if it's part-time or full-time. A W-2 employee works for you. They wear your uniform, they use your supplies, your cleaning supplies and your products, and they service your clients. Those are qualifications that make someone a W-2 employee. Just because, say you got your first 2 accounts and you got 20 hours of work for one person, or 10, 12 hours of work for one person, they work 2 days a week for 6 hours. That person may not be a full-time employee, but if they don't clean any other buildings, say they got a daytime job at CVS and then they work for your cleaning business at night and they don't do any other cleaning for anybody else, that's not a 1099 contractor. That's an employee. They work for you. Let's say you get a client that it's too much for you to do, you don't have employees, so you reach out to a 1099 contractor, which would be another cleaning company, someone who actually does the cleaning. They have a company, they have their own clients, they wear their own uniforms, they use their own supplies, they have their own process and procedure for how they clean. You don't train them, they do the job. You hire them to go and clean the account that you closed, and that's a 1099 contractor, independent contractor relationship. Independent contractor, which means they're independent. They don't work for you. They're just helping you provide this service. And I think people are confusing that, and they're making people who are just part-time employees 1099 contractors, and that's going to get you in a lot of trouble once the IRS comes to audit your business. Part-time employees are not 1099 contractors. If they work for you, if they're using your equipment, if you're training them, then they're an employee. And a lot of the times you can get in trouble even for having someone that, say they claim to be a 1099 contractor. If they don't have any other clients other than you can still get audited, because they'll the IRS will qualify them as an employee of yours. Since they don't have any other clients, they only carry out work for you. So be careful with that, with categorizing your employees. You want to get that right. So it could be a big deal, and I don't want you guys to get in trouble for nothing, because it's a really stupid thing to get in trouble for. It's a unnecessary risk. So categorize people right. There's really no benefit, or to trying to weasel around it. I know one may have some tax benefits. They're only immediate tax. Eventually, you're always going to have to pay the appropriate amount of taxes. So whether it's 1099 contractors, it doesn't matter which model you want to use for your business. Just make sure you're labeling people who work for you correctly, because there is a difference. And I saw that everyone was kind of getting confused in the comments. People were saying, oh, I only have 1 day of work for this person, so I had to make them a 1099 contractor. And I'm like, that doesn't necessarily make sense. So know that. Hope this brought you guys some value. Really short one for you guys today, but I figured it'll bring a lot of value since a lot of people are struggling with it. If you guys don't have a way to present your offer to your client, your proposal, not the contract, you're going to still need a contract, but I did create a proposal template for you guys to present your pricing and present your offer to potential clients. It's in the link in the description, just for you guys. It will require your email, so you just go click on the link, type in your email, and it'll send you the template, and you can go ahead and change it, change my branding to your branding, change all the colors, all the pictures to your pictures, actually go through the proposal and match it up to what you're offering to your potential client. And there you go, my gift to you guys. Also, I put out a list of products that I use in my cleaning business that I think are really helpful for anybody who's starting a cleaning business. Vacuums, charging buckets, mops, mop sticks, and things like that. Things that have really helped us out and help us get the jobs done in an efficient manner. And they're pretty expensive, and all stuff you can get on Amazon. They're affiliate links, so check through it, see if there's anything that you guys are missing in your arsenal, or something that would help you get jobs done a little bit quicker. I think it's a really cool resource. But those are the 2 resources I got for you guys. I hope you guys get a lot of value from this channel. Again, like this video. I really hope this video gets at least 100 likes, and subscribe to the channel. Again, I'm only here to help, and this is a channel that is not trying to sell you guys a whole lot, just trying to build a community here of like-minded people that want to build something special and want to build something for themselves. And the cleaning industry is the way that I was able to do it for myself, and I just want to share that knowledge with you guys. The community is growing, it's getting great. I don't have as much time as I used to in order to respond to every comment, so we've started doing one-on-one, started doing one-on-one coaching with people. Those have been going really, really great. And also will allow you guys to book your own time and ask one question and be on the show. I'll use it for content, but you can use the link in the description to come and be on the show. Ask me a question, I will answer it, and we'll try to make a video for the rest of the Boss family so we can benefit someone else and keep this community going strong. So if you want to do that, click on the link in the description. I'm really happy about the way things are going with the channel and with the business. Everything's going smoothly. It's all because of you guys. I really appreciate it. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.